Hello everyone, welcome to the food production video. In this video we're going to discuss and learn about the butter. The butter is the fatty substance which is get from the milk, okay, but the technically it is processed from the churning of the cream. Means when you break down the cream through the keep rotating, okay, so that's how we get the butter, but containing it 80% fat and 20% of the butter. Okay, butter can be made from any kind of milk. Okay, in India butter is usually made from the buffalo milk. The butter hardens means the texture is going to be hard at the low temperature and is going to be melted with the heated. The smoking temperature of butter is the 127 degree. Okay, the colors of the butter is very, okay, the first colors are the creamy white to golden yellow. Okay, the milk protein in the way that makes a butter spoil quickly. Okay, the most of the butter is from the cow milk over the buffalo milk. Okay, the butter is a water in technically the butter is the water in oil emulsion result from the inversion of the cream. In a butter in oil emulsion, the milk proteins are the emulsifier. Okay, the butter remains in the solid when the refrigerated and but softened when be separatable consistency at a room temperature, and it's melt to a thin liquid consistency at the 32-35 degree temperature. So first now we talk about the major step to processing of the butter. First step is the holding. The cream is pasteurized for 2 to 4 seconds at the 95 degree centigrade. Then the temperature is lowered at to 4 to 5 degrees centigrade. That kept for several hours to ensure the uniform hardening of fat particles. Okay, so cream, the butter is going get from the churn of the cream. So first we pasteurization, okay, of the cream means that we are trying to kill all the kind of bacteria or the impurities. Then we suddenly decrease the temperature to settle down the fat particles at the to become the hard butter. Okay, ripening when the end of the is going to be a lactic butter. Only this step is carried out in which is bacterial culture is added. In this case the holding temperature will be 15 to 80 degrees Celsius for the 3 to 4 hours or being cooled 4 to 5 degrees. This gives butter a good flavor and the stage of omit white making sweet cream butter. Churning, it is carried out being steel container holding about 100 gallons of the cream, and the internal churners passes through the cream. Okay, means we keep rotating the cream. Okay, break the layer of the fat solid which is released and a combination of the foam. Okay, means it is example of when we keep churning means whenever we do the when stirring the buttermilk, okay, the cream into one direction, keep rotating the layers of the fat solid going to be break down and it come on the top as a foamy flavor. Okay, so after that we keep during in the long time we collect butter from the separated. Okay, so that's how we get butter through the churning method. It is typically the लोकल एग्जांपल whenever we do छाछ को हम जब कीप हम उसको हिलाते रहते तो एक फ्रॉथी फोम आता है on the top. That is the churning method which is happen used in the industrial method also. The holding method, dipping and churning method. Last is the washing and the salting. The butter grains are now washed into the butter are now washed into the ice cold water to remove any buttermilk left on the surface of each grain. In order to maximize keep quality, and salting is carried out two ways. Okay, by adding the fine grains on dry salt, dairy salt, that's going to be a salting, and by dipping butter grains butter grains into green salt. Green salt means salt and vinegar combination to 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the butter grains the absorbed it. So that is the processing or manufacturing of the butter, where the 5 to 4 steps are there: holding, ripping, churning, washing and the salting. Okay, now we talk about the types of butter. There are the two types of butter. First is the sweet cream butter. It also is the fresh cream butter which is made from the unripened cream. Okay, It can be salted and unsalted. It is soft creamy texture. Okay, lactic butter is a type of butter especially made in the Denmark and European countries. The cream is mostly pasteurized and inoculate with the culture of the ripples. That going to be a butter. Then the pasteurized once more coerced the ripening process. Okay, that's from also butter. There are also other different butters available which is commonly used. Unsalted butter, or we call sweet butter, that has a mild aroma and slightly sweet but using the sweet pastry in the cake. Salted butter has originally salted to the preservative for the winter months. For the fresh butter was not made, means to be a preservative we added the salt on that too. So that today salt is added to butter as an ingredient. It is not ideally used for the preparation of the pastry. Compound butter, they are made by adding a particular natural flavor and the color to the butter. Okay, so that's parsley butter or garlic butter is called so compound butter. Next is the clarified butter, which is also called ghee. It is the clarified butter. Butter is heated and to evaporated water, means when we remove the water from that butter, is equal to be a pure ghee, which is highly keeping quality. Okay, so that is the types of butter we say. Okay, now the use of the butter. Use of the butter could be everywhere. It could be cooking as a complement in the pastry making and the cake making, means it is generally at the fat. Okay, and the fat is always key ingredient of the in the cooking. Okay, so that is all about in that video. We just talk about the butter and the types of butter and the processing of the butter. Thank you.